Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to run your Python code in different environment. For example, from the terminal, from your VS Code environment, from your Jupyter notebook, one by one. To open the Jupyter Notebook in your Linux terminal, you just write your code, then you can press a dot. It will open immediately the VS Code in the present directory. Or you can give any name. Say you give a name, say hello py. Sorry. It has opened. Let's see. Here it is a new window has been opened in a VS Code. So now carry on. Oh, just a one simple code. Print, then right here, hello, electrical engineering. So it is a tab completion. So to save it, Control S. Now it is already saved in a hello py inside my lab directory. To run it here, yes, it is already run. But suppose you are a very hardcore programmer, you don't like to use any GUI, you only like commands, so it is your Python. Then give the full path of the file which you wish to run. So it is a Control Shift C. So it is this one. Then your Control Shift V, right? So this. Then you press it, so it will run. So this is a one type of thing. Now to suppose you wish a new file, so Control N, but it will only give you your Python, ordinary Python file. So how to get I say Jupyter Notebook? So here go to file, then new file, then there is a drop down menu. You can choose which one you require. One maybe your Jupyter, maybe your Python, like that. So it is your Jupyter, right? So it has come as a your Jupyter notebook. Now what you will have to do, there is a two type of things. Sometime we required for the demonstration purpose, it is mainly for the teachers and for the very beginner. You used to write something before making any code. What for the code, it is called your command. So in the Jupyter it is a very much documented way you can do it. So there is your markdown where you can make the statements and the code where you write the code. So this block is your denoted as a Python. That means it belongs to your Python code. So I just delete it. So markdown, say it is your coding. So today's date is your 2025. Oh, sorry. Actually, there is my numlock is unlocked condition. So it is your 29. This is the scenario, right? Now you go for one coding, or you can write here, give a heading here as your say. Those who are familiar with the markdown editing, they know this thing. You can search in your Google's engine or any search engine. Then any coding, say again, print, say hi EE. So you can run it from here only for this cell. Now, which environment, Jupyter, kernel, or which environment? I'm by default, I'm taking this one. So this high electrical. So in that way, you can carry on. Suppose you need another code here, print, say hello world, right? So run it, right? So it will run. So in that way, suppose I need to run all the code in one single click, then the run all, right? It run the all the codes. In that way, you can enjoy this way you can do your coding as per your own wish. So thank you.